Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Wednesday. Monday we went and put the siding on, and I set up my flashing between the buildings. And yesterday, Tuesday, we got about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of rain out. It rained all day, and now it's windy as hell. I hope you can hear this video. It is so windy out here, but I want to check and see if my flashing idea worked. Now I expect, and I'm going to take you in as I see it. I haven't seen it yet. Gail snuck in, but you're going to go in with me. I expect a little leak because we don't have the ridge cap on, and with the Reflectix, there was a little hole in one piece. So there may be a drip, a leak there, but I just want to make sure there's no water inside Alex's building and there's no water running down the wall of the addition. That will be the test of my flashing idea. It may or may not work. We don't know. But, oh man, it's so cold with that wind. Holy shit. And soupy wet. I just cannot believe how much it rained. And talk about a test. That was a good one. I wonder if there's a sign of water running out the flashing down here. Because there's a flashing, and that's where all the water would have come out of down here. I should have put a bucket or something under there so that we would be able to see it. All right, let's make sure there's nothing in here. And that's going to be all along here. And every bit of this is dry. There's no water on the walls. Nothing on the floor. Yeah, that's dry. That's what we needed. Don't say anything because I want to see it with them. All right. Let's go in the house and see what happened. Rosa. You want to go in and see what happened? Huh? You got to go in and test it? Mommy's in the other one. All right. Let's go in here and see how bad it is. No water whatsoever. There is no water at all. Not even the drip I expected. Wow. Maybe that wasn't a hole all the way through. See that Reflectix that I put underneath the metal is like a vapor barrier. And it's a water barrier. It doesn't leak. Wow. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy this is dry. And there's the flashing. Now, obviously, that's going to get covered up because we're inside. But the flashing goes all the way across and it goes out that side and runs out this side and runs out. And this gable up here is going to get siding on the gable that will go over the flashing. So water will run down the siding into the flashing, and before the flashing is able to fill up and back up behind the siding or the other roof, it's going to fall out the side. And there will be a gutter out there that both ends collect in. That's perfect. I cannot believe how well that worked out, because it was so much rain. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, no way. You see that, Gail? I don't think she's as excited as I am.
Look, we came in here. I saw no water.
I know, isn't that amazing?
Yes.
That just, oh, heck yeah. So yes, my idea works. Now I did have a question. Let's see. I had a question about the 16-foot 2x4s that are out there. Those are going to be going across this. Those will be all my ceiling rafters. I can put my drywall on. Oh boy, I feel so good. You have no idea how I feel about this. Heck yes. So it worked. And if it could handle that much rain. What?
You better get down off my door. What?
You want to go back out? You want to go back out? You can't go out that way.
I know, I'm gonna put this
Oh,
back in here though.
yeah.
You didn't.
Oh man, it's unbelievable. Huh?
Did you see where she?
Yes.
I can't believe she went right
That's
there in
just,
front of your stuff.
wow, that's just perfect. Holy crap.
We gotta finish this too though.
All right, huh? Well, yeah, we got to finish that. The insulation. Oh my goodness. That just the best thing that I could have seen. Rosa, go run into the woods. Huh?
She'll want to make her run around the
Well,
park.
let her run around.
Go, Rosa, go.
She can run around. Look at that. Now, Saturday we'll be out here. Let's see, Friday I have to go to Columbus. Alex got me a hotel room for the night. His flight comes in about 6:30, 7 o'clock Saturday morning. And I don't want to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to go get him. Drive to Columbus. So I'm going to drive out there Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Take him home and then pick up Ed. And Gary's going to come out and we'll finish the gable and put the ridge cap on and everything, because now I know it works. It's exactly what I wanted. And then I can start. Oh, Bobby was over here.
I saw somebody drove over here.
Yeah. All right. So I said, well, let's check on each other's places. He probably came over to see if it would leak. Holy crap. I'm just tickled to death over that. Water tight. And what's amazing is I don't have the ends done, I don't have the fascia up, I don't have the ridge cap up, and still no water in there. So we are good. All right, take her around the barn.
Come on, Rosa. I'm ready to go then.
I know, and then we're gonna hop in the car, head back. I just had to run out here and look at it. Curiosity got the better of me. You guys have no idea how good I feel about that. Especially with everybody telling me that would never work, it's gonna leak. And I'm putting like an ice dam over it towards the bottom of Alex's side. And it's gonna go across and cover up the flashing. There'll be a cover over the flashing. So the water can run down to the flashing, but no snow or leaves or anything like that can build up in it, because it will actually be almost like a covered gutter. You'll see as I go along. I had that idea. I knew what I wanted, and that saves me so much money with having to deal with that. Anyway, I just wanted y'all to see it as I saw it. I hope everybody has a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving. If you're traveling, be careful. Boy, driving out here, I mean, this is Wednesday. It's really crowded. The roads are. But be careful, everybody. Enjoy the time with your family and your friends. And I don't know, man. The way the world is going right now, it's hard to find a lot of things to be thankful for. I'm thankful we still have a red, white, and blue flag right now with 50 stars and 13 stripes on it. It's one of the few things left of our great country. But enjoy your Thanksgiving, and I will see y'all. I'll do a video Friday. Peace out, everybody. I'm out.